In this video, I'm going to talk about background properties. Okay, so I've set up a scene here, and we'll talk about how to build this later. But what it does is if I create a background color, the div will keep the width of the view space and be 100% of the height of our background. So it's like a splash page kind of effect. Okay, so background color we've seen a gazillion times. So let's look at a new thing. The next one is background image. And the way this works is, unlike an image tag, with the background image tag, you load the image through the CSS. And so the syntax is URL and then a single quote, and then we have to find our image. So if I went img and then found an image we want to use, which is over here, png, this is a valid path because there's an underline here, but it's not displaying. And that's because if we're thinking about this from the context of the CSS file, the CSS file's here, so then it's looking in this folder for images and it doesn't see anything. So what we have to do is use a new tool. So if I put a slash, I can go ... and then find our images that way. So basically it goes out of the images folder to the index, and then it looks into the images folder. It's a little confusing, but that's an important part of this. Okay, so the next thing is this image is not really scaling to our background. So what we want to do for that is we go background size cover. And so what this will do is it'll fill the space and not leave anything hung over. If we wanted it, though, to center in the image, we would do background position center. And now we're in the center of the image. Pretty much what we would like to do most of the time. We can also set the image size to be whatever we want. So it could be 200 pixels. And here, I'll turn this off for a second. And so what it's doing is it's making an image 200 pixels and then it's repeating. We can turn that off with background repeat, no repeat. And then this parameter again will determine where it is. So we could have top center, left center, left, top, etc., etc. And that's how backgrounds are done. I guess the thing to look out for is how to get to your images, and also cover and position center. Okay.